Zero to Hero, Power Workshop 2.0, Module 2, Secure Remote Work. Integrate the Duo Network Gateway with Duo Single Sign-On. Let's get started. So Duo Network Gateway allows your users to access your on-premise websites, web applications, and SSH servers without having to worry about managing VPN credentials, while also adding login security with Duo Prompt. With Duo Network Gateway, your users can securely access your internal web applications from any device using any browser from anywhere in the world, without having to install and configure remote access software on their device. Users can also remotely SSH to configured hosts through Duo Network Gateway after installing Duo's connectivity tool, providing server access without a VPN. Users first authenticate to Duo Network Gateway and approve a two-factor authentication request before they may access your different protected services. Session awareness minimizes repeated MFA prompt as users access additional services and hosts via your gateway. Duo Network Gateway gives you granular access control per web application, set of SSH servers, and user groups. You can specify different policies to make sure only trusted users and endpoints are able to access your internal services. For example, you can require that SharePoint users complete two-factor authentication at every login, but only once every 7 days when accessing Confluence. Duo checks the user, device, and network against an application policy before allowing access to the application. Again, here's a nice little quick diagram of what this looks like. Let's go ahead and jump in and get this configured. All right, like always, we're in the Duo admin console. Let's go ahead and jump to applications. We'll go ahead and protect an application, and let's search DNG. And so we're going to go ahead with the two-factor authentication with SSO hosted by Duo. Let's go ahead and protect. And let's go ahead and put in our service provider domain name, so our FQDN here, duo-dng.dcloud.local. And we'll go ahead and save that out. Let's go ahead and download the certificate. And from here, let's go ahead and open up a tab and check out the configuration on the Duo Network Gateway. So let's go to Duo DNG. Go ahead and log in. Primary authentication. We'll jump back to our application that we're protecting in Duo admin. We'll go ahead and put in the entity ID. And then we'll use the single sign-on for the assertion consumer service URL or single sign-on URL, and let's grab the logout URL as well. And let's go ahead and upload that certificate. Save the settings. And that's it.